Hello guys, in this video let us see how we can add activities in the activity sets what we created in the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, please go and watch the previous video and come back since this is a continuation. Let me go to lifecycle event what we created in the previous video, that is TH onboarding. In this TH onboarding lifecycle we have pre-hire, pre-BGV and day 1. In the pre-hire, I'm going to add one activity. So this is my pre-hire activity set. Under this, now there are no activities. Okay, I'm going to create one activity now, and this will be named as upload documents. And HR template, here I am using the out of the box HR template. Okay, for example, I will select complete mandatory training as a part of pre-hire activity. Complete mandatory training. And owning row, this will be HR confidential. Okay, now let me go back to the activity set. Okay, pre-hire, you can see one mandatory training is under pre-hire activity. Now next question is how we can customize if we have a requirement. Okay, first I will create one catalog item. Catalog item name will be upload documents, and here upload documents, short description, and description will be upload documents for onboarding BGV GB process. Okay, now let me go to portal settings. This will be submit, and you can see mandatory attachments because this catalog item is for uploading documents. Then there should be at least one document. Now I will create variables. This is a variable page where I can create new variables. I'll take requested for and order 100, name of employee. I'll save. Now one more variable I'll create, attachment. Tenth mass card, and this will be 200, and this is mandatory. Right click, insert and stay. One more document I will give. Aadhaar card. This will be 300, and this is again mandatory in certain state. Now I will go back to activity, pre-hire activity set. Okay, I will add one more activity. After mandatory complete training, upload documents. Upload documents, and HR template is okay. We did not create HR template, we just created catalog item. Let's go back to left navigator and we'll create one template. Again the name will upload documents. Table is again HR LE case table. Okay, state ready, short description, upload documents. And there is one more field called HR task team. Okay, that is not available on this table. I'm sorry, this since we are creating template, we'll go and have it in SN underscore HR underscore core task table. Okay, upload documents. Search for HR task type. What kind of task this should be? We have so many options like a submit catalog item, submit order guide, checklist, e-signature, all this, mark when complete, take survey, upload documents, URL, video, all this we have, but we are going to use submit catalog item. Next we'll be selecting our catalog item here, upload documents. Okay, now let us save this. Let me go back to pre-hire activities again. Okay, I'm back to pre-hire activity set. I'm going to create second activity, which is upload documents, and task template is upload document. Owning group you can give anything. I'll change the badge to HR and owning group to HR confidential. As you can see, these two tasks will be created immediately, one after other. Okay, complete mandatory training and upload documents. What if I want to restrict this upload document to be created after completion of complete mandatory training? How we can do that? We can use condition table. Before that, we should know on which table this is. This is on core task table. Okay, SN underscore HR underscore core task. Okay, instead of this one, instead of going and making this condition table, we have one more option on this screen. You can see wait for generated task to complete. Okay, this we can do it. Okay, only after this is completed, if there are any activities after this upload documents will be created. Okay, so that was about how we can include prior activities, means one after other. These are like two activities will be in pre-hire activity. In the next video we'll be watching how we can include other activity sets in pre-BGV and day one. After that we will be going with the flows to create the HR cases based on conditions, okay, for onboarding process. Please do subscribe my channel, and if you have any concern you can comment in the comment section, and if you want update set of this uh, activities you can also reach me on the comments. Thank you.